Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to give the details about the course Machine Learning with Self-Empowerment Concepts. This course is designed in such a way that it helps learners with technical development and self-empowerment. Why we have designed in this way? Because if we observe the current situations in the world, everyone is living in fear, stress, worry, tension, low esteem, and the low confidence. So this is the time that we have to empower ourselves. So with this motivation, we are introducing a new way of learning technical concept. This way of learning helps you to shine in the corporate world and also helps you to self-empowerment. Let's see more details about this way of learning and what is the technology and the course curriculum and the course designing plan. First, we'll see advanced applications like chatbot, e-learning platforms, self-driving cars, home robots, animation and graphics in the entertainment domain. There is one common technology behind all these applications, that is artificial intelligence. It is an emerging research field and the whole world is revolving around AI. In this course also we are going to learn artificial intelligence skills. Let's see brief introduction about artificial intelligence. We can easily guess the definition of artificial intelligence by using these two clues. First one, artificial intelligence. That means it's not natural intelligence, it is created or simulated intelligence. Now the question is why it's created. This we can get by analyzing previous slide applications. What these applications are trying to do? These are trying to mimic human actions through machines. For example, driving is a human action that is replaced by AI system. And domestic activities are human actions, those are replaced by robots. So if we combine these three parts, artificial intelligence and its mimicking human actions through machines, we can form the definition. It is simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. And we can also say artificial intelligence is like teaching to a machine. How we will teach to a kid? This is also similar to teaching to a machine. Let's see which one is easy, teaching to a kid or teaching to a machine. In case of teaching to a kid, we have experience and kid has brain that stimulates the learning mechanism. But in case of teaching to a machine that doesn't have brain, we have to create mathematical model of brain functions and then we have to teach. So this is the reason why teaching to a machine is difficult compared to teaching to a kid. Artificial intelligence has two subdomains. Those are machine learning and deep learning. These two are set of algorithms. The main difference between them is machine learning models requires explicit features to train their algorithms, but the deep learning models try itself extracts useful information from the raw data to train their algorithms. So this is the main difference. Let me demonstrate this with a simple true classification artificial intelligence system. To build any artificial intelligence system, we require three building blocks. First one is input data preparation, second one is training algorithm, and the third one is computational resources. Let's consider we have bunch of apples and bananas. Now the task is we have to identify which one is banana and which one is apple. To do this, first step is we have to create a data that is understandable by machine because machine can understand only zeros and ones. This can be done in two ways. That is, we can simply take the digital pic of the image. So anyway, this digital pic is just numerical representation of the image, so machine can understand. And the second one is we can extract some simple characteristics by observing the data. In this case, we can consider shape and color as two different features. With this, we can create Excel sheet of the data. So these are the two different possibilities uh, for the data preparation. The first case, the models which use the raw image data or deep learning models, and the models which use the simple characteristic features or machine learning models. So this is all about input data preparation. And the next step is designing an algorithm. So we have to design an algorithm such that it takes this input information and it's end up with a decision function. But in case of this task, we doesn't require any algorithm. We can easily come up with simple decision function based on if else. If color is red, we can say the fruit is apple, or else we can say the fruit is banana. So this is very simple decision function, but in case of real-time applications, we require more complicated algorithms to come up with this sort of decision function. At the end, we will use this decision function or the model parameters to build any fruit scanning AI system. So this is all about brief introduction about artificial intelligence. In this course, we'll see machine learning algorithms. Now let me explain how we can correlate machine learning concepts with the self-empowerment concept. For this, let's consider the topic initialization. This is very basic concept in the machine learning. As I discussed earlier, the end result of training algorithm is a decision function. So in simple terms, we can say machine learning is finding a function that maps input to output based on our objective function. So to find this function, we first initialize this function with some random parameter values, and then we'll try to find out the optimal solution. So let's consider this example. This is function f of x. We have to find the minimum value of f of x. For that, we'll start at some random value, and then we'll move in a direction such that f of x will minimizes. First case, we started at x equal to 1.5, and then we end up with at x equal to 1 with a function value 1. In the second case, we started at x equal to minus 1.5, and then we end up with at x equal to minus 1 with function value 0. So these are the two different solutions with two different initialization points. So if we want to get optimal solution for our problems, we have to take care about our initialization. This is very interesting research domain, and so many people are working in this area. So this is how we will take care about our machine learning models. In a similar way, in our life also, initialization is very important. That can be starting a day with a good thought or starting a career with good job. If we start our day with good thought, definitely our entire day will be good. Or if we start our career with good job, then our career will be in good track, right? So these are very common initializations in our life that will move one step forward. That is, let's enhance our natural qualities like peace, happy, joy, bliss, etc. So for this, let's initialize ourselves as my true nature is peace, my true nature is happy, my true nature is bliss. Because if we initialize in this way, definitely it avoids the negative thinking like I am an angry person, I'm in stress, I'm in worry, I'm in tension, etc. So this will help us to avoid a negative thinking. So this is how we can correlate the technical concepts with the help of self-empowerment concept. And the final conclusion is explore the depth of the technology and experience the inner beauty so that you will become master over self and technology and your life will become joyful. Now we'll see some statistics about this course. Overall, we will have 25 plus live sessions. Like those sessions are segregated into weekly 2 lecture sessions that are most probably on Saturday and Sunday, and 1 discussion session. This is not a mandatory session. And overall, we will have 60 plus hours of learning, and the duration of this course is 3 months, and the fee for this course is 1,000 rupees. We'll have talks from industry, research, and the spiritual experts. Each live session is of duration 1 hour and it has 1 session quiz. We are expecting short research paper or mini project from this course, and we'll have 1 assignment for every 4 sessions. That is, we'll get overall 4 to 5 assignments. and mentorship sessions will be taken by TS. These are all different course features. And coming to the course evaluation plans, these are the different evaluation methods like sessional quiz, scribing, assignments, project, and a final quiz. Each method has its own percentage. If student want to get merit certificate, he has to have more than 75%. That is, has to have merit percentage in all the evaluation methods. And to get completion certificate, the percentage is more than 60%, that is irrespective of individual evaluation method scores. And for participation certificate, the percentage is more than 50%. So this is all about the course evaluation plan. If you like this way of learning, please join intellectual learning series and register for this course. If you want to know more details about this course, please visit our website www.intellectuallearningseries.com or email us at intellectuallearningseries@gmail.com. And if student is interested in this way of learning but not able to afford this course, please contact us. Thanks to all of you for joining this session.